Well, we think that the key steps are a few. It's more than one. First of all, it's embracing technology and also allowing technology to pilot and to try. We're obviously in a capital-intensive industry, so these pilots are precious, but it's very important that we enable ourselves to learn. Secondly, there's a culture change needed, not only within companies, but also very much between companies, how you interact with your stakeholders. You cannot do this by yourself, so you need to make sure that you have the right partnerships and that you're open to new kids coming on the block, and that's not only startups that are going to help you. And thirdly, for us it's enabling, enhancing and sharing data. That's not always easy because there might be conflicting interests there, but we think these three things are going to help you to see what digital transformation can mean to you, but also making sure that you stay in the lead and ahead of the pack, because ultimately you want to be able to get the best added value for your business. So if we look very far into the future, and we don't know when that will be, and look at autonomous shipping, there's going to be a change of roles for everyone who's involved in the supply chain. And I think those are the things that we should not think that it's not going to happen if ships sail by themselves, and if supply chain is going to organize itself. What is then the role of a port authority, but also of a terminal and a shipping line? So I think getting your head around it, but also talk about it in the right way and see what that means for your organization is going to be a huge challenge in the maritime industry. So one of the case studies we've done is for the Pyra board in Bangladesh, where we're looking at how technology can help them. As you understand, in Southeast Asia, some of these ports are more isolated, and it's important for them to understand how they are connected in our network. So that is a very much of an advisory role into what we see, how they can best apply technologies, but also see how their organization can overcome these challenges. What we also do is we are a partner in Portbase. It's presented here at the conference, and we're quite proud to be a part of that. And there we are working on the software part of what Portbase does, together with the Port of Amsterdam and the Port of Rotterdam. So one of the major opportunities that we see, and then I'm looking at port authorities, which is a large client base for us, is how digital technology, but also digitalization and working with your stakeholders can have a different approach to topics like sustainability and green ports. And what we see is that data, sharing data, transparency, but also using that in stakeholder engagement with ports in topics such as energy transition is going to be a huge opportunities for port authorities and basically the maritime industry, especially in a very populated environment where we are here in Rotterdam, to take a different position and to show leadership as a maritime industry in such difficult challenges that we have.